What is up, fam? Welcome back to Let's Live Tarot. This reading here is for my Scorpio zodiac signs. Hope y'all are well. Hope y'all are having a fabulous day. Happy Saturday, y'all. Let's go ahead and dive in and see if we can get a couple of messages out. What's the energy coming towards Scorpio? Overall energy coming towards Scorpio, please. What's the overall energy? Hold on. Overall energy coming towards Scorpios, please. Overall energy coming towards Scorpios. What's the overall energy coming towards my Scorpios? We got the World card. Okay, closing out a cycle, expansion. We got the Thinking Woman. Some of y'all can be thinking outside the box, or you're meeting somebody that does this. But I see expansion with the World card. Something could be going on online, or you could be traveling as well with the World. The number 29 could be significant. You could be 29. Expansion and opening up. Here it is. The man in this picture is looking out over a bay, above which the beautiful sphere of the earth is rotating. The card is reminding you to expand your vision and contemplate some much broader options. The world is wide, so there's a lot out there to consider. In the modern age of technology, this could specifically be referring to creating or expanding to a more global network through the internet or social marketing. Drawing this card also lets you know that you have unlimited resources available to you, and now is the time to think big. As they say, the world is your oyster, so get ready to gobble it up. So some of y'all need to be thinking bigger. Think bigger, Scorpio. They want you to think bigger. All right, they want you to expand. They want you to grow. Okay, so this could be, maybe you're used to selling out of your mom and pop shop. They don't want you to do that anymore. Get out there and get online. Okay, promote yourself online, or get out there and start meeting more people, going outside the small town that you're in, or something like that. Okay, something about the energy coming towards Scorpios. What's this energy coming towards Scorpio? We have left you hanging, no closure, no contact, left on red. We have family, and we have divine feminine energy. So some of y'all, bad news here at the bottom of the deck. Some of y'all here, you could be dealing with somebody that isn't contacting you back, or that keeps leaving you hanging or something like that. Spirit is saying get out there and meet somebody else. Okay, maybe this is a job. They're not getting back to you. Maybe it's a lover, a love interest. They keep leaving you on red. Get out there and meet some people. Some of y'all, you got family. Maybe you need to go travel family. Maybe there's a family member not answering as well. And divine feminine energy, this is about fruitfulness, growth. It's time to like focus on you. Some of y'all need to focus on yourself, pour into yourself, pour into you. Love on yourself. Some of y'all are leaving people hanging, or you could be leaving people on red. I'm just so tired today. I just don't know. I don't know how to kickstart. I don't know how to get into it. That's what I've been doing in the background. It's just resting. Like, I just felt so exhausted from the week. You can go out there and play. You got pee-pee first?
No.
Go try to pee-pee. You just woke up. Okay, open the door. Go ahead. Open the door. You got it? Put your shirt down in the back, girl. Come here. Hold on. Snow says she's tired of taking a nap. She want to go play. Okay. All right, so let's see. What's the left you hanging? What's left you hanging? No closure, no contact, left on red. Left you hanging, no closure, no contact, left on red. We have soul contracts, fated connections, karmic relationships, spiritual agreements, destined to meet, and then fake flexing. Pretended wealth, showing off, borrowed luxury, deceptive bragging, rich on Instagram, broke IRL. So y'all could be, okay, y'all could be dealing with somebody that's like fake flexing. What? You could be leaving this person on red. Some of y'all could be choosing to like, we got safe space, emotional sanctuary, comfortable solitude, protective vulnerability. Here I am safe. Some of y'all could be staying at home. Maybe you got your phone on like do not disturb or something. But some of y'all deal with people that like you were meant to meet somebody here that like fake flexes or something. is this? Oh, my ponytail's tight. Y'all were meant to... Okay, some of y'all are going to leave somebody on red, or this is how somebody's going to do you. Put it how it is. But I see somebody that there's like a strong connection with, and somebody's leaving somebody on red. Somebody feels like somebody's a fake flexer, or they be doing too much, they be bragging, they be doing this, doing that. And somebody about to leave this person on red. What's soul contract with fake flex? Soul contract with fake flex. I love you. Effed up over you. This could be somebody that loves you, or you love them. You could love this person, but you may know this person be fake flexing. Look, effed up over you. This person could be in their head about you or something, Scorpio. What the world? I don't know if you met this person online, or this person travels to you, or you're traveling to them or something. Some of y'all can have a recliner, or like you have like a comfy, you sit in one comfy spot on the couch. Like there's a comfortable chair or couch, a particular seat on the couch that you sit in. You always have your blanket and your little comfy pillow or something like that. Somebody's in their head about you. What's the family card? What's the family card for Scorpio? Booked and busy, productivity high, full schedule, no time to waste, success on the calendar, money moves. So some of y'all, you could work with family. Others of you could be doing this for your family, like you're focused on business, you're booked and busy. Some of y'all are making money moves, smart decisions, strategic investments, building wealth, making my money work. Some of y'all could be like the primary caregiver type of energy. Some of y'all work a lot because of your family, or you take care of family. You could be the head of household. What's the family card? We have toxic love. Oh, wow. Okay. Some of y'all work too much. Pain disguises passion, addictive pattern, harmful attachment, can't live without. Some of y'all could work too much, or you got a person that you're in a relationship with, they work too much. What's family card? What's the booked and busy with toxic love? Jackass. Some of y'all deal with a butthole. Some of y'all could be this butthole, or your partner could be a butthole, or something like that. We had karmic lesson, losing sleep, worried, replaying events, thinking about you. There could also be like a negative attachment in the family. Happily single. Doing you, dating stress-free, setting goals, career focus. Some of y'all are single and you work a lot. But you could work a lot because you have a toxic family, or you have, yeah, some of y'all got like really toxic family members, and you've already learned a lesson from these people. That's why you just stay busy. People could be also losing sleep over you, Scorpio. If you work a lot, they lose sleep because they miss you. It's like you're never hardly around, but the reason why you're not hardly around is and you stay booked and busy is because you realize that people are like toxic to you, and it could be like, you know, codependent love type of thing. So you try to stay booked and busy. What's divine feminine? What's divine feminine for Scorpio? I'm telling you, some of y'all are single and unbothered, child. You just minding your business. Look, overnight success. Rapid rise, sudden recognition, unexpected breakthrough, all eyes on me. And then unbothered says, peace despite chaos, calm attitude, detachment from negativity, not my drama. Some of y'all got toxic family and you're unbothered by it. Some of y'all could be going out for coffee. I keep getting this energy of like somebody arguing or fighting or going back and forth in the background, and you just over here like, I'm just focused on me, myself, and I. Some of y'all are cleansing your house, cleansing your energy. What's unbothered for Scorpio? What's the unbothered card for Scorpio? Shady in reverse. Yeah, and it's not that you're being shady or anything with anybody. You're just unbothered. Moving on, letting go, loving you. Some of y'all are just moving on from a person, situation, or toxic family. It's like, I'm not being shady or anything. I just don't want to deal with the toxicity or karmic attachment. Like, I've already learned the lesson that I needed to learn. I don't want to lose sleep over this anymore. I'm moving on. Okay, well, that ain't the deck I want. Where is it at? There it is. Okay, so how will Scorpio know who this message is about? So the World card, I see you expanding, growing, leveling up in some sort of way, and it could be because you recognize where the karmic attachments are. Some of y'all's karmic attachments is your family members. Okay, let's see. And the reason they're karmic is because you love them and you can feel that strong connection. But these people fake flex, or they pretend something, you know, they pretend one way, okay? So, let's see, what's going on? How will Scorpio know? How will Scorpio know who these people are? 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 One more. How will Scorpio know who these people are? Random thought. I actually miss Kmart. I miss having a Kmart. We have the month of November, could be significant. Aries, P, W, T, H, Y, Sagittarius, D. We have P, B, U, A, F, the month of December. We have A, D, S. We have Capricorn energy here, Virgo energy here, Y, L, B, and Virgo energy here. Scorpio, I'm gonna leave this here. It does look like y'all are going toward, y'all are headed towards some sort of success though. I see some sort of overnight success, but it's because you're unbothered by other issues and you're focusing, you're kind of like watering your own garden instead of letting this other situation or these other people, toxic family members and stuff like that, interrupt you and stuff. So yeah, I hope this gives you clarity and insight. Appreciate y'all so much watching, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Bye, y'all.